Can I tell?
You're pregnant?
Yeah.
Congratulations, my man.
That's great. Congratulations.
What was that?
Wait, where's Maya?
I've got her.
Sounds like something fell.
Well, through the window.
So blue.
It's a good omen. Sci-Fi Channel says it's a bad omen.
It's not an omen, it's a bird.
Amen.
No, omen. It's pronounced omen.
Thanks.
Birds don't usually fly at night. It's probably sick.
You think it has avian flu?
Obviously, we don't know. Just open the window, close the door, and find its own way out.
Don't poop all over everything in the meantime.
Ruth,
Well, seriously, what kind of a plan is that? To let a sick bird run wild in the house pooping?
You know what, Mom? I think George is right. I'm just gonna open the windows. I'll open this door. All right. Somebody close that door.
Hey, Nate, grab the beer, okay?
Yeah, I'll grab the beer, Tom. Thank you. Beautiful bird.
God, it's fucking cerulean.
So let's just close this door. See what happens.